For this first zine, which is just simply a one-page zine, the only materials that you need are an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, your brain, and some writing and drawing utensils, perhaps maybe some collage materials, but right now we really only just need to have your good ideas and some drawing utensils. If you want to set aside about an hour to work on this, I think that should be plenty. Actually, it's probably good to give yourself a limit of an hour, because I definitely think that this can be a project that you might overthink, but you don't really need to overthink this. Think about the pacing. Think about the story that you want to tell. Think about the beginning, the middle, the end. Think about how you can create surprise. Think about using contrast. Think about using textures. Think about again, the revealing point. We are making a book. So again, you want to really be focusing on good pacing and again, that reveal, that surprise. As far as different techniques go, this zine probably should be photocopied so you can distribute it to other people. And so the type of marks that you're making, they want to be bold, they want to be thick, clear, consistent. Light pencil shading doesn't really transfer that well. Once you feel comfortable sharing what you've been working on, be sure to upload to the project gallery. One of the things that might be helpful once you upload your project to the gallery is, instead of just uploading it and going, oh, here it is, it's really good to ask specific questions, because those yield specific answers. So if you have a question about the content, be sure that you specifically ask about the content. Is it clear? Does this make sense? Be very specific, because again, those specific questions, those are going to yield your best responses back from the community. And really what we want to have happening online is good information and good sharing from each other, so we all could be making the best zines that we possibly can.